This tiny polymer clay panda is just as cute as can be, and I can show you how to make it in just a few steps. So let's get started. You will need black and white polymer clay, a toothpick, and a baking dish that is not metal. Start by rolling 2 balls of clay for the head and the body. 1 large marble size for the body, and 1 smaller marble size for the head. Stick the head onto the body, make sure it's secure. Now roll 2 balls of black clay for the feet and 2 slightly smaller balls to make the arms. Then we're going to stick these all in place. So attach the feet on the bottom front. Make sure your panda can stand up. And then attach the little arms right between the head and the body where that seam is. Make sure they are securely in place. Roll 2 balls to make the panda ears. Flatten each out and then make a little seam or fold in it with your toothpick and attach it to the head. Roll out 2 very small balls of black clay and make them into slight oval shape and flatten them out and stick them to the bear's face for the eye patches. Now take a very small ball of white clay and stick it in between the patches to make the bear's muzzle. Use a tiny ball of black clay to make the nose, and you can use a toothpick to help you set that into the right spot. Roll a tiny ball of white clay and set it into place for the eye and press it into place with your finger. Do the same thing for the other side. The last step is to get the tiniest piece of black clay that you can on the end of the toothpick and set it right near the middle top end of that white eyeball. And do the same thing for the other side. Once your panda is finished, place it in an oven-safe dish that's not metal. So you can use white ceramic like I've got here, or glass. Follow the clay manufacturer's instructions for baking. Once the panda is completely cooled, it's ready to go. Please subscribe to my channel for more polymer clay ideas and other crafts. There's brand new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.